Hey, what's up? It's Derek, and this is Datacue in 5 minutes or more. Let's go. What is it? Datacue created a recommendation engine that personalizes your website for all your customers based on the actions they've taken on your site. We don't just mean providing product recommendations, but it actually adjusts what the homepage looks like to display what a customer has shown interest in. So imagine you sell an array of home furnishings. A new visitor finds their way to your homepage, but you have no idea what they're actually looking for. As they navigate through your site, they go to the bedding section and it appears they want either a new bed or new bedding. Unfortunately, people don't typically buy these kinds of things on their first visit, so they're likely to leave the site and come back. But the next day when they come back to the site to search again, the homepage won't look like it did before. It will look like a bedding website, now focused on beds and bedding instead of home furnishings in general. This is the kind of personalization that helps to increase conversion rate, and Datacue has the case studies to prove it. The homepage is customized through the use of banners. You can opt for a wide banner, which is used to attract the most attention. They are larger in size and can be stylized. A narrow banner, which acts as a complement to the wide banner, perhaps. And a static banner, which is not personalized and will remain the same for everyone. Use this when you want to promote a new product or do any other type of broad messaging with your customers. Banners are easily created within the back end of the site. You simply go to the add banner, choose the category you want, which auto-populates from your Shopify store, pick the image you want, drag and drop, and hit the upload button. The algorithm will immediately start learning and provide recommendations to the right people. Not only does the homepage customize itself for the user, but Datacue also generates a notification tab to tell the user important information about products they have viewed. Notifications occur when something you previously looked at is now low in stock, when something that was out of stock is maybe back in stock, and when something you looked at is now on sale. These notifications happen without the user having to be opted in or signed up or anything like that. They've been tracked through their behavior on the site. Think of when you log into Netflix and it notifies you that the second season of a show you've watched is now available. This is the same thing on your store. It's really amazing. I love it. Utilizing Datacue does not reduce the load time of your website as it loads asynchronously, does not affect your first load, which is what Google cares about, and they lazy load all the personalized components using their own Amazon Web Services server, so it's really quite fast. Once you're up and running, you'll be able to easily see in your dashboard how many sessions, clicks, and revenue is being generated and conversions from Datacue. Competitive landscape. There are other product recommendation tools out there, but not many focus on the homepage the way that Datacue does. LimeSpa offers product recommendations, and they use their entire data set across all of their customers and end users to predict the right products on your store to show the customer, whereas Datacue only uses your data. Nosto is more of an enterprise personalization platform that can help you across content, site, app, and even in-store personalizing. Other competitors include Retail Rocket, Analito, Epica, and MindWhat. Biggest differentiator. Datacue focuses on personalization for the entire website. It combines static and dynamic components to optimize customer conversion and the no opt-in required notification tool, which is something I really haven't seen anywhere else. It's really slick. Metric impact. Datacue sees an average conversion rate increase of 13% for its users. So if you take 13% of your normal monthly revenue, that is what you can expect to generate using Datacue. It improves the customer experience, which leads to all sorts of good things for your business, repeat purchases, and all that as well. When should you use it? The higher your traffic and SKU count, or even just the more diverse your categories, the more valuable a personalization tool like Datacue is going to be for you. If the homepage is typically where people land, but then they head to vastly different categories based on their own needs, then Datacue can help quite a lot. When shouldn't you use it? Stores with one or very few products have less of a need for personalization in general. Low volume sites won't get much of an impact since it's using your data to optimize, and you're likely just too early, honestly. Integrations. Datacue integrates directly with your Shopify store, granting read-only access so no changes to your products can be made from them within the platform. It also integrates with Mage and other currency apps for dynamic pricing formats. Pricing. It's $0 to use and at a 2% commission rate with a 14-day free trial. The commission is based on sales directly attributed to their personalization components, which are tracked by a customer clicking on that recommendation and then purchasing that product within 5 days. Every click is sent to your analytics tracking software to make it easy for you to validate the commissions. This is very strict compared to other tools, which typically have something like a 1-day view through and 7-day click through conversion rate. They also allow you to cap commissions at a dollar amount you are comfortable with. So if you don't want to spend more than $100 a month in paying them in commissions, the tool will shut off and return to your static site once you've reached that amount, and will automatically restart when the next billing cycle comes up. Typically, I don't recommend that though, because you're making money with this tool. Why would you want to turn it off? Setup time and resources. Installation is super easy with a really nice onboarding process, and Datacue will do the banner setup for free. Design is still on you, but they will do the theme integration, insert the banner components, add the product recommendations, and set up the notification box for you. Final thoughts. Personalization is the future of e-commerce. I imagine a world where when I land on a site for the first time, the site already knows my name, kind of like that scene with Tom Cruise in Minority Report. While some still find that creepy, I think it will open so many doors for a positive user experience. The question for you isn't if you should add personalization components to your website, but when and how. Familiarize yourself with Datacue and tools like this, because they are game changers for those serious brands looking to bring an 11 out of 10 customer experience. Related tools. We're talking conversion rate optimization, so let me throw out one of my favorite quick win tools. It's called FenixCommerce, and they use your past data, your inventory and warehouse data, your customer data, and even things like weather and traffic to extremely accurately predict to your customer when their product will arrive on their doorstep. They do this dynamically on the product detail page so that the customer can see the get it by Thursday element right there before they add to cart. This is a big question for prospective customers and alleviates a lot of customer service inquiries. Oh yeah, and it increases conversion rate by up to 15%. Check out FenixCommerce with my partner link down in the description below, or the video somewhere around here. Another big conversion rate optimization win is using a buy now, pay later tool. If your average order value is over $70, and especially if you're working with younger generations, this tool can boost conversion rate. It can also help with average order value and retention, all the things we want in our business. Doesn't work for subscription boxes though. My current go-to for buy now, pay later tools is Sezzle. They have the highest approval rating in the industry and 0% interest for customers. The catch? They do cost you a little something. If your currently transaction fee is like 2.9%, they will usually cost around 6%, so about 3% more. That being said, if you use my partner link somewhere around here, or maybe in the comments below, you will get that discounted to 5.5% forever. Check them out with my link below, or you can check out my video review of them somewhere around here. That was Datacue in 5 minutes or more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If Datacue interests you, please do click on my partner links or book a forever free consultation with me, Derek Haney. I'd be happy to discuss this app and how it relates to the rest of your tool stack. That's it for me. I will see you guys next time.